Hello, this is Lloyd Cushenberry for ELRC 2018. This is my completed Google site. This is the title of my site is Lloyd's Health Class. This is my home page, basically explaining what's expected in the course, and I have links to different parts of my website. Biography, resources, tech projects. You can scroll down. At the bottom, have my contact, my email, a link to my tech blog. And so, we go on to the biography. Basically explaining a little bit about myself and a picture of myself, my motivations for, starting this class. This health class. It's right there. We can move on to our resources. My resources is just 3 different websites where I got a good bit of my information from, and 3 different categories of healthy living. We have weightlifting. Click this, it takes us to, a few of the links that I use. We have stack.com, Dick's Sporting Goods, muscleandfitness.com. And this is all on my wiki page as well. So you just go to stack.com. It's a popular website, popular health and fitness website that a lot of people use. It's a very helpful website. You see Antonio Brown right here, Cam Newton in the background. A lot of athletes and different people really use this site for different workout plans, things like that. Going back, so we also have cardio, which we have shape.com, fitness magazine. Shape.com is it's a boxing website. A lot of people use, like the box for cardio, build that core strength, and it's very intense workouts. I also have fitness magazine, things like that. And lastly, we have our health resources, things like nutrition websites, nutritionshop.com. Your diet is very important in, living a healthy life, as I explained in my digital story. And these are some of the websites that give you healthy meal plans. Just go through that. Very helpful if you want to, start living right, eating healthier. Going to our tech projects. First, we start with the digital story. I embedded my YouTube video to my digital story, so if you go into this, you take a look at that. It basically explains healthy living, things like that. Healthy living, exercise, sleep, goes in, everything you need to really live a healthy lifestyle. It's about 4 minutes long. Onto the mobile app. I talked about Kahoot. This is my Kahoot. My classrooms in high school, we used Kahoot a lot. I really think it really helped, myself along with other students, because it was fun, and even in college, one of my classes I had a few semesters ago, used Kahoot. So, it keeps kids intrigued, and it keeps a competitive nature in the classroom. So this could really, really work out. So this slide, I'm just basically going through, just explaining a little bit, some of the devices it works on. It's really easy to access, and it's free. So it's very good app to use in the classroom. We go into a PLN and PLE, personal learning environments and personal learning network. This is one of the first assignments we had, and we really had to go in depth of defining it, what it was, some examples of it. I got my sources right there. A little chart, explaining the two. And right here, this goes in, to a little bit in depth of what blogs are, curation tools, microblogs, some examples of each, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, Feedly. And this is some of our assignments that we had to do on blogs. So let's go to that in a sec. So learning in hand. Let's go ahead and load up. Basically, some things a lot of teachers use. And here I explained a little bit in depth. Yeah, as we wait on that to load, sorry about that. We move on to curation tools. We have websites like Digo, which is a very interesting platform that students can use to save websites, so you don't have, could save the hassle of going back and forward and looking at your, looking for your resources and your website links. You can just save them all on that website and have them all together. Here, you can click here and look at what how I explained it in more in depth. And, yeah, that's a very good tool to use. Also, Edutopia. I explained that a little bit. You can click on these links. They will work. Not sure why they're not working for me right now, but they will. This is just a website created by a few guys to basically change the way students learn. It's a very, very helpful website and Twitter account you can follow, and give teachers a lot of tips on different things they can do in the classroom. It's very helpful. And that's it for PLN and PLE. Like I said, those links will work. They didn't load for me just now, but yeah. Very interesting topics that we talked about this semester. Of course, Screencast, which I'm doing right now. Basically just an overview of, what's going on in my, on my website. And, okay, now we can go into the tech blogs. Tech blog is, my reflection on technology. Throughout the semester, I reflected on various articles, basically talking about technology. I stored all my work as I, went deeper into the topics. We talked about classroom wikis, and also just an introduction of myself. But yeah, classroom wikis, things such as Wikipedia, they can really be helpful because, it allows students to go in and edit, and if any teachers to go in and edit if there are any mistakes. Like I talked about in my blog, like this past December we had weather problems, snow days, and syllabus, some syllabi can change, and that can affect the schedule. And most students print out syllabus in the beginning of the semester, so the schedule changes, it just throws off everything and makes it difficult for the teachers and students to get on the same pace, on the same page, and could cause a lot of confusion towards the rest of the semester. So that can using wikis for things like syllabi, class syllabi, Moodle, making mistakes on papers and things such like that, can really, help both students and teachers, And, right here on the side of my blog, I have about me, my Google account. I have some links right here. Another link to back to my website. You can go back to that. That's basically my website, Always Health Class. That's me. Thank you. Thank you for tuning in.